Is this thing on? Heading to NAB New York? Visit BTX Technologies at booth 513 for your chance to win a limited edition lanyard. Come one, come all to booth 513 and you can walk away with a certified, authentic, limited edition lanyard adorned with over 9 certified BTX logos. Perfect for all lanyard-related activities. Plush, elegant, bejewelable. Do not hesitate. This offer is real. Act now and plan your visit to booth 513. This opportunity will not last. Did we mention limited edition? And that's not all. Team BTX will be giving away a small batch of very cool, artsy crafted bottle openers, bleeding edge USB drives, and most importantly, the guidance you'll need on the modern AV landscape. So come on down to booth 513 at NAB and let's talk tech.